Here we have Kailash, who's in the womb of a mother, and he's in a miserable condition. Let's see what Kailash has to say.
Kailash, you're in the womb of your mother. What is your new birth resolution?
Narad Muni, it is so hot inside. There are so many germs biting me. I don't want to come here again. Once I go out from here, I am going to chant Lord Krishna's name throughout my life, and then I'll never come back to any mother's womb.
Okay then, see you Kailash.
Now we have Kailash, who's grown up as a very cute kid. Let's see what he has to say.
देखा चिच गया, छावलों ने देखा ना चिच गया। मैं ना बड़ा होके सचिन तेंदुलकर बनने वाला हूँ और मेरी मम्मा भी कहती है मैं सचिन तेंदुलकर के जैसा ही दिखता हूँ। आपको लगता है मैं सचिन तेंदुलकर के जैसा हूँ? हाँ ना? और पर मेरा बॉल किधर गया? वो मेरा बॉल इतना दूर गया, कोई मेरा बॉल फेंको ना। मेरा बॉल किधर गया? मम्मा मेरा बॉल मेरा बॉल गया।
Kailash, do you remember me? I'm Narad Muni.
कौन नारद मुनि? आप मेरा बॉल लाए हो?
Oh, do you remember your birth resolution?
Resolution. I don't know.
Then what do you know?
I know A B C D E F G H I.
It is H-A-R-E, Hare.
No, my teacher said H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Oh, Kailash. Okay, I'll tell you something better. K-R-I-S-H-N-A, Krishna.
No, it's K-L-M-N-O-P-Q.
No.
Okay,
Wait. I will teach you something which is very simple. R-A-M-A, Ram.
A comes first, M comes later. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
You need to chant the Lord's holy names now.
No, you're teaching me wrong thing. Mama, my ball is gone. This uncle is teaching me wrong thing.
Kailash, I'm going to come
No,
back again.
Mama, Papa, where are you?
Now we have Kailash, who's grown up as a youth. Let's see what he has to say.
Kailash.
Who's this? I'm already chatting with 10 people, and who's this 11th one who's pinged me, but I'm not able to see who's this.
It's me, Narad Muni.
Huh? What, Muni? I don't see you. Come online.
Kailash, look at me face to face.
Face to face? What is this? Do you know what is face to face? I only know Facebook. If you want to talk, come on Facebook online.
Kailash, but do you remember you had taken the resolution to chant?
I can't talk to you like that. I can only chat. You want to talk? You want to chat with me? Come online.
Kailash, what is this?
How dare? How dare you
shut down my computer like that? All my friends will think now that I have gone offline, and they will also go offline. They will be lonely, and I'll become lonely too. It's all happened because of you.
But then what about your resolution to chant Lord's holy names?
Yeah, resolution. That was what I was doing. You know, my New Year's resolution is to have thousands of friends on Facebook and to have millions of followers on Twitter. That's what I was doing, and you just walked in, you shut down my computer.
But then when will you chant?
I can't do that. Give me some time. I can only chant when the internet server goes down. I can only chant at that time.
But you're in the material world. You need to chant holy names of the Lord to go back to the spiritual world.
Wait, before that I need to restart my computer.
Kailash.
Oh, I just remembered I have to go for a party. Bye-bye.
Kailash.
Kailash has now become a successful entrepreneur. Let's see what he has to say.
Oh, my bacha, where are you? Where are you hiding? See, Papa's looking for you. Where are you? Oh, found you. Wait. Chalo, what do you want to play?
Kailash.
I want to go on a swing, Papa.
Kailash.
Okay, let's go.
Can you see me, Kailash?
Oh, look, we have a guest, son. You know him? He's the space guy, Narad Muni. Welcome back. Come.
Kailash, listen, where are you going? When are you going
Wait,
to chant?
wait,
Kailash,
son. Come this way.
I see you've grown old. You should chant now.
Narad Muni, see, I have a kid, I have my wife, I'm a businessman, but that just doesn't solve all the problem. You know, in a business world, there are competition, day-to-day competition, and if I don't look after my business and sit and chant, I will ruin my business. And oh, my bacha, arey where are you?
Kailash, where are you
Come
going,
back,
Kailash?
come back. Come.
But your business and your housework both is settled. You must be having a lot of time to chant.
You see, Narad Muni, I can't even chant on weekends. Today is Saturday and my son is at home. I have to look at him. I have to take care of him so that my wife can go and attend the kitty parties and she can go shopping, she can go to beauty parlor and she can do all that what she wants to do.
But you have 5 minutes to chant one round?
No, if I sit for 5 minutes, who will look after my kid? Idea. I have heard that you are a great saint and you can fulfill all the desires. Why don't you provide me with a maid who can take care of my son, who can take care of my house so that I can sit and chant?
But you have to take efforts to chant, right?
I want chocolate, Papa, chocolate.
Oh, see, my son, he's so sweet. He's saying so sweetly. He can also sing sweetly. Like the way you're saying that chant the holy names, he can also sing sweetly. Let him sing. You listen to him, huh? Beta, sing that thing that your teacher has taught in school.
लड़की की काटी काटी पे गोला गोले के दुम पे जमाला तोला डोला 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 दुम के डोला.
Wasn't it sweet? Sweeter than maybe the holy names?
No.
No? Oh. Okay, my son needs chocolate. I'm going.
But Kailash, where are you going, Kailash?
I'll meet you after some day, sure.
Okay.
Now we have Kailash, grown as an old weakened man. Let's see what he has to say.
Kailash, you've grown old. I'm sure you may be having the full day just to chant Lord's names.
Who is this? Where are you standing?
I'm Narad Muni,
I can't
Kailash.
even see
Open your
clearly.
eyes. Kailash?
Oh, Narad Muni, you're back.
I'm sure you may be chanting, right?
I can't. I don't have any time.
Kailash, you cannot just keep on giving me such silly excuses every time.
It's not silly excuse. You can check my diary. All my day's timetable is written. At so and so time, I have that doctor's appointment. Then I have to go to that physician. Then that trainer. Then I have to take medicine. My whole day is going to the hospital, coming back, getting some medicines.
But when are you going to chant as you had told? You had made a promise to me, isn't it?
I will chant. I will chant.
But when?
When my cough goes away, I'll definitely chant.
When will your cough go?
That's a good question. You know, that doctor over there, I'm taking Ayurvedic treatment from him.
But Kailash, you have grown.
And soon I'm going to be all right. All healthy, the way I was when I was young. And that time I promise you, Narad Muni, that time I'm going to chant.
But Kailash, you have grown old and you can die at any
It's time for my
moment.
another appointment. I need to go.
Please listen to me, Kailash. Where are you going?
I'll listen after some days.
Kailash.
Sometime later, Narad Muni went to Kailash's house, and here's what he saw.
Kailash? Kailash, my dear? Kailash? Kailash?
हेलो किसको बुला रहे हो?
I'm looking for Kailash.
मेरे पापा कैलाश?
Yes? Why are you crying? But why are you crying?
You don't know? No. कैलाश? खलास?
What?
कैलाश? खलास?
I didn't get you.
Can you see that picture over there?
Yes?
The one with garlands?
Yes?
That is Kailash. He has passed 2 years ago.
Oh my God! Kailash, how did it happen? What happened to him?
Just he was sick and one day he left us.
Kailash, where will I find Kailash now? Where will I find Kailash? Where will I find him? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Narad Muni, it's me.
Who?
Kailash.
Kailash?
Yes.
You have taken
I'm
birth
Kailash.
as a dog?
Yes, I'm Kailash.
How come? But you've taken the birth of a dog.
Yes, I've taken birth of a dog. I am so happy. You see my tail? It's so bushy and nice.
Kailash, what are you talking?
I'm describing myself.
Okay, wait, it's
I'm
not
happy.
yet late. You can still chant Lord's names.
I don't want to chant Lord's name.
Then when will you chant?
I'm so happy. I'm happy in dog's life. You know, my death was untimely. And my kids don't know to take care of my house and my wealth. That is why I need to stay in the house.
But
and take
Kailash,
care.
when are you going to chant?
I'll chant. I'll chant
You
one
are
day.
just telling me you'll chant, but you never.
The thief! The thief is looting my wealth.
Kailash! Now, what do I do? I will go back in a few days at his house. I'm surely going. Kailash? 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 Dog? The dog Kailash? Where are you, Kailash?
Did you just call my dog?
Yes.
You came to see him?
Yes.
Ah.
Why are you crying? Can you tell me?
You are such a nice dog.
But why are you crying?
Even you have come to see him again.
But what happened to him?
You see that picture over there?
Yes.
The one with the garland. My father's stick. There is one more picture below that with the garlands. That is my dog.
Oh my God. What
I
happened
loved
to
him more
Kailash?
than my father, you know. My father left just like that. No paperwork's done. I had to run around to get all this property on my name. My dog, he used to run around and protect everything. And my dog is now gone. How will I live without my dog?
Where will I find him? Oh my God.
I don't know.
Kailash, Kailash, where will I find you? Kailash? Where are you? Who are you?
Narad Muni, it's me,
Who me?
Kailash.
Kailash? You have again taken a birth of a snake?
Yes.
But why don't you chant, Kailash? It's not yet late.
Chant? I can't. I'm happy in my snake body, Narad Muni.
Why? What is to be so happy in a snake's body? Why don't you chant and you're wasting your time?
You know, when I was in the human form of life, I had hidden some golds in these fields, and my sons are not aware of this. So, I need to take care of these golds in these fields.
But then when are you going to chant, Kailash?
Chant? I will chant someday. But that day is not today.
Now I will have to teach Kailash a lesson. What do I do? How do I teach him a lesson? You know, there is a snake in your field.
What are you saying? There is a snake in my field.
Yes, I'm not joking.
They're playing outside. Are you sure there is a snake?
Yes, I'm not joking. You should go there.
Let me take a stick.
Yes.
Where is it? Where is it?
Look at that.
Such a big snake.
Save me, Narad Muni.
I told you not to
Save.
chant Lord's name, but
Tell-
you didn't listen to me.
Tell
Kailash.
him I'm his own father.
But
I'm the
Kailash,
same
you-
Kailash.
You
Please
had to
save.
chant Lord's holy name.
It's hurting.
But why
Please.
did you chant Lord's name,
Save.
Kailash?
I'm ready to chant it now. Please save me.
Okay.
Please.
Repeat after me.
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Ram.
Hare Ram.
Hare Ram.
Hare Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Hare Hare.
Hare.
Now he shall protect you, Kailash. Come with me, Kailash. Let's go towards the spiritual world.
My Lord, please take me home. My Lord,
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please give them a big hand, please. They have taken a lot of efforts.